Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce you about Cybersecurity Innovation Challenge 1.0 Hackathon. Our idea is about mule accounts and collusive fraud in UPI. Let's see the overview. UPI is a fast and widely used digital payment system in India. Its real-time nature makes it a target for financial frauds. Mule accounts are used to transfer illegal money, and collusive fraud involves multiple mule accounts working together. Their frauds are different to detect using traditional methods. They cause financial loss and introduce trust in digital payments. Let's come to the solution at a glance. Collect and monitor UPI transactions data in real time. Analyze transaction behavior of user accounts. Identify relationship between multiple accounts. Detect mule accounts using suspicious activity patterns. Detect collusive fraud by analyzing account network. Generate risk scores for suspicious transactions. Let's come to our team details. Our team name is Codebreaker. We are currently studying in GH Raisuni College of Engineering and Management, Jalgaon. Our team has 5 members. Here the names are mentioned in the above list. Now let's introduce about our project. In India, digital payments are now quick and easy thanks to the unified payment interface called UPI. Millions of people use mobile phones to instantly transfer money. But this transparency and speed have also raised the possibility of financial fraud. Mule accounts and collusive fraud networks are the two main forms of fraud observed in UPI system. Here are the flowchart provided by us called requirement, then establishing trust, transferring funds, layering transactions, money laundering, withdrawal and distribution, and final transfer to fraudsters. What are mule accounts? Illegal money transfer are made through a mule account. The account holder might be an unemployed person or a student. It is possible that the holder is unaware of the crime. The account is occasionally shared for modern sums of money, stolen funds, and transferred to fraudsters' mule accounts. Rapid money transfer to different accounts make it challenging to identify fraud. Now come to the what is collusive fraud. When multiple mule accounts collaborate, collusive fraud occurs. A network or group is formed by these accounts. Funds are moved between accounts in a pre-arranged manner. When, view, when viewed in isolation, each transaction appears normal. When taken as a whole, the transitions from a suspicious pattern. Funds are transferred to numerous accounts and returned via various channels. The fraud trails is concealed using these techniques. It aids scammers in avoiding detection. Now come to what is this a serious problem in UPI. Because UPI operates in real time, transitions take place in a manner of seconds. This spreads in used by scammers. This speed is used by scammers to transfer money quickly. Before banks can halt the transition, money is transferred. Conve- Conventional system only verify individual transactions. Accounts networks are not examined by them. Collusive fraud and mule accounts operate on a network level. Fraudulent funds flow quickly through numerous accounts. Financial loss result from this. It also makes digital payment system less unworthy. Let's come to our fraud detection system, how it will work. First, the customer will start order placed as credit card method for payment. Fill credit card information. Then if it is valid, then the transaction to acquiring bank, then receive the transaction. After receiving the transaction, request customer's profile, then it will go into the database. Our fraud system will then it will again come to the fraud system, get customer's profile, put customer profile, then process the transaction by using all transactions from their profile. If it is a fraud, then it will reject, and it will goes to the database history fraud transaction and reject transaction. After this reject transaction and alert SMS to real customer, then reject the transaction finally. And if it is not a fraud, then uh, detect amount deduct amount of money from the balance, complete transaction, then receive the receipt through email. If it is not valid, then re-enter the new payment information, then fill the credit card information again and again. Now let's come to the challenges in detection mule accounts and collusive fraud. Mule accounts may have legitimate KYC information, fraudulent transaction frequency reassembly, legitimate transaction. Collusive fraud involves several accounts, making detection difficult. Real time monitoring is challenging due to the high volume of UPI transaction. Now, need for an advanced detection system. There is a need for an intelligent fraud detection system. It although to examine the behavior of transaction, it although the examination the connections among accounts, it although to monitor the trend over time. Suspicious networks should be detected early by the system. Fraud can be spotted by early detection. This aids bank in preventing financial loss. Now come to the product roadmap. In the phase 1, we collect UPI transaction data and perform basic analysis. In phase 2, identify suspicious transaction patterns and mule account. In phase 3, analyze account relationship to detect collusive fraud networks. In phase 4, implement real-time risk scoring and alert system. In phase 5, build a dashboard for monitoring and investigating. Now, how what was the fraudster will do? The fraudster first steal personal information of the victim, then it fraudulent transfer to an unidentified account called mule account. Remit fraudulent funds, then mule account. Second, then frauds may change several hands before reaching the criminals syndicate. So it will work like this totally. Now come to the conclusion. In UPI, mule accounts and collusive fraud are on the rise. The payment system is seriously threatened by them. To identify them, basic rules are insufficient. Additionally, manually checks and ineffective. Advanced data analysis is necessary. System for intelligent monitoring are required. This system safeguard the digital payment infrastructure and AID in the protection of bank and users. Thanks for watching our this project idea.